Hi friends, welcome back to my Arts and Craft channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a jet model. See, this is jet model. Okay, let's start. For doing this, you need a rectangle paper. Fold it into half. See, like this, and unfold it. Fold this side till here. See, like this, and fold this one also till here. See, like this. And now you need to fold this side till this center. See, like this, these both should align, and this one also, this side should align with this side. Now you should fold it upward. See, like this. So these should be aligning. See, like this. Now you need to fold this edge till here. See, till this edge. See, like this. And these both should align. See, like this. And even fold this edge till here. The same. See, like this, and turn it over and fold this edge till the center. See, like this. See, this center, and fold this edge also till the center. See, like this. Now fold it like this and turn it over. See, it should be like this. Now you need to fold this one, see, upright like this. See, these are the wings. You need to fold it up and turn it over and fold the same with this one also. Now we need to catch it like this. Oh, now open this. See, like this. Now you need to fold it this. See, you need to push it so it comes like this, and you need to fold it. See, it comes like this. And this is our jet model, and now our jet model is ready. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my